Hey guys, Scuba Vacuum Collector and Fixer here, and I am at my lady friend's house again, dog sitting. I'm sure you guys remember me doing it last year. So the vacuums on the right are my Hoover Convertible 65 and my convertible U4173. The 65 is from about 1957, I want to say, and then the U4173 is from 1981. And then on the left here is their vacuums. We got a Bissell PowerForce Helix from 2018 and this Hoover Air steerable from late 2018, early 2019, something like that. This PowerForce Helix design is from, I think, 2016 or 2017. Maybe 2016 is when that design came out, and then this Air design has been out since maybe 2012, 2013. The Air isn't terrible, not the greatest though, and then the PowerForce, you know how I feel about PowerForces, not my favorite vacuum. And then they do have a stick vac as well for the hard floor cleaning, which those aren't terrible. They do their job. So I'm going to do just a little bit of vacuuming with all four of these. So sit back and relax. So there's some vacuuming with 2 modern and 2 vintage vacuums. So tell me what you guys think. That's all I have for today, so thanks for watching, and I'll have more up soon.